Production.
What up? We're looking at AI, C3.AI. Now, this name has been pumping, man. Seriously. This name has been absolutely raging in the last few weeks, right? So we have this massive move off of the lows, like almost 200% move off the very lows. We're looking at, right, the stock technically was at one point like 160, 180. The highest it's been was around $182 a share. It's at 23. Look at all of this volume coming in at these levels. You're trying to tell me right now that all of this money coming in, you're telling me big money isn't buying? Of course they are. Like, this is just short-term price action. What we're looking at here, weekly time frame, is we're just waiting for this to gather. This is going to rip higher. I'd look at $43 as the next resistance here, right? If we're looking at like maybe October, 42 calls for October might be easy money. I don't know. This is just me placing my opinion on here. None of this is financial advice. But we have massive volume coming in, and all it looks like is we're trying to regather and rebase before we make another leg higher. That in my opinion, that's what I see. Very low bear volume in comparison to what just came into the stock, right? It looks absolutely mint. All we're just doing is creating a higher low in retrospect to this massive jump higher, right? So this literally went rampant. Now we're just looking to see it balance out, create a pattern before we move. When we zoom in, this is what I'm looking at, right? 4-hour time frame. We have this kind of triangle type pattern going on here. So this could be important, right? It's a very volatile stock. I might want to be looking at this from a 4-hour perspective if I want to catch that next play, right? Because this is going to happen fast. Think about it. We have earnings coming up. What it says the 2nd of March. That could be a play. Gathering shares or calls before the earnings play, expecting and anticipating that we're going to get a move higher. Does seem like there's some resistance at this 27 level, so keep that in mind. We'll mark that out. But all in all, I think this is just taking its time digesting that large move before it makes the leg higher. Do not sleep on AI. This is this is going to be a fun stock to watch in 2023. I do think that the tech overall in general is so down bad that it just doesn't make sense to want to be short tech right now. It doesn't make sense in my opinion. Like, why weren't you short tech in 2020? Like, why weren't you short tech in 2021? Like, now's not the time 2 years later. It's gone down as far as 95%, and now you want to be short with all of this volume coming in. They've beat every earnings, it looks like. There's too many bullish catalysts, my friends. I will keep you guys posted with AI. Peace.